What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And right now it's time for us to fumigate because the bugs want to go and hide when it's time to hide. Usually they hide in summer and they hide in winter, and the most comfortable place to be is your house. So right here, this is what I usually use. They have other cans out there that does other stuff, but this is the stuff that I get. So we are going to bomb the house, and y'all gonna watch me do it, and I'll go over the rest of the content after I'm done. Now it's time to start. What you do is you press this button in. Once you press this button in, time to evacuate. Got another one here. Press it in. Hurry up. Going to the basement. I got this one because I ran out. So, yeah. Time to evacuate. Go. Got another one here. Another one over here. Shit. Forgot to grab my bottle of water. And, all right, you guys. Oh, we made it out of here. I wasn't even breathing on the last one. Could smell that stuff a little bit. All right, let's get into the content. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. It's funny when I try to do these thumbnails. Okay, so, you know, there's a big debate on when you should fumigate, if you should get a company to fumigate, and blase, blase, blase. Now, you can get a company to fumigate. To be honest, the company have the bigger equipment. They have the more potent fumigation chemicals to use. The big box store stuff is basically what it is big box store. So as y'all saw me, I don't know when I'm gonna drop this or not, but I already used this up. I already had 2 boxes of this and I used all of them. But this is the Frogger Hot Shot. This may be the most popular one out on the market. So you have the Frogger. Did I say Frogger? Frogger. I'm looking at green, thinking Frogger. All right, and then you have the. I always forget how to pronounce this, but the Ortho Home Defense. This is one of the popular ones that's in Home Depot. I think it's in both Home Depot and Lowe's. Don't quote me on that. But if not, they both, Home Depot and Lowe's, have this type of fumigation, and also Walmart. They says up to 12 months protection. Okay, that is baloney. The bugs will find a way in your house. This is good stuff. This is for indoors and outdoors. And it should say it here. All right, right here. It says for indoors and perimeter. So basically it's indoors and outdoors on this thing. I do this every season. I fumigate every season. You can fumigate when you want to. You know, I'll be at work and some people be like, oh, you know, it's bugs and owls and blah, 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 blah. And that's because you don't fumigate. A lot of people don't fumigate, or they don't even think about fumigating. This one is just a liquid fumigation. Like I said, you can spray this inside of your house. You spray it on the corners with your baseboard. You spray it all through the corners, through the whole house. This is supposed to keep the bugs out of the house. All right. Now this one is a fogger style. This one, you press the button like y'all seen me do and running for my life while I was trying to evacuate the house. You press the button down and you keep it moving, and on the back here it tells you what not to do and what to do. One of the most important things you should do is turn off your gas lines. So you know, your stove, your dryer, whatever else you use that use gas, just go ahead and turn it off for safety precautions, because this stuff is flammable. And if you know this spray gets into where you know your pilot lights at and it just happened to come on, then you know we don't know what's going to happen, but you might know what's going to happen. All right. Also, you want to put the can on like a stool or something, because all of the residue comes right back down. So you want to have it lift up a little bit. That's what it says to do right there. When you use this, before you enter in the house, you have to wait at least 2 hours. Me, I usually do like 3 hours just to be safe. You know, when you enter the house, you want to open up all the windows, ventilate the house, because it's going to smell like crap when you go back in your house. Another important thing, your food, your exposed food. So let's say if you got watermelon on the counter, bananas, or whatever you keep, all your fruits that you keep out, you want to enclose them somewhere. All right. Make sure you enclose all your fruits, vegetables, your plates, your dishes. Make sure you keep them enclosed. Along with the gas, which was another one important thing, do not light up any candles. Okay, this stuff is flammable, so don't light up candles. So I guess the question is, does this stuff work? Yes, it works. It kills bugs, but it don't keep them out of your house forever. So for me, the rule of thumb is you should fumigate every season, right? Because bugs don't want to be too hot and they don't want to be too cold, and they will find a way to be in your house where it's comfortable. That's why I said you should fumigate every season, because in the wintertime they try to come in the house. In the summertime they try to come in the house. In the springtime is half and half, and fall time is half and half because of the, you know, nicer temperatures. But anyways, that's all I have. If you have any other questions, just hit me up. Leave a comment in the comment section. But they have different varieties, especially of this one. They have different varieties, so just pick a box. It don't cost that much to fumigate. It doesn't cost that much to fumigate. This stuff was like, I don't even remember, but it's cheap. I'll post it. They got it at Home Depot. I'm pretty sure they got it on Amazon. Wherever you can find it cheaper, go ahead for it. Fumigate your house and have a nice bug-free house. Catch y'all in the next video.